Hi everyone, check out this delicious Nigerian fried rice and chicken. It's so flavorful. The recipe is on my channel. Today, I'll show you how to make delicious Nigerian fried rice and crispy fried chicken. Simple, flavorful, and perfect for any occasion. This is the kind of meal everyone asks for seconds of. Let's get started. No stress, just good food. For the chicken, you'll need fresh chicken pieces. Long-grain parboiled rice works best. These simple spices give Nigerian fried rice its taste. Everything you need is right here. First, wash your chicken properly. Place the chicken in a pot. Add chopped onions. Season well for maximum flavor. Add a little water and let it boil. Cook until the chicken is tender but firm. Cooked, remove from the stock. Set aside for frying. Heat vegetable oil. Carefully add the chicken. Fry on medium heat. Turn until golden brown. This keeps it crispy outside and juicy inside. Remove and drain excess oil. Perfect Nigerian fried chicken. Now for the fried rice. Heat oil in the pan. Now let it heat up. Add onions and stir. Add curry and thyme. Add the vegetables. Stir fry briefly to keep them fresh. Add the cooked rice. Mix gently so the grains stay fluffy. Taste and adjust seasoning. Serve the fried rice hot. Add the crispy chicken to your fried rice. Classic Nigerian fried rice and chicken. Look how beautiful this is. Here comes your classic Nigerian fried rice and chicken. Yummy, yummy. Simple, delicious, and satisfying. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. See you next time.